Hi there, Dr. Kerry here. I'm a chiropractor in Kelowna. Today I'm going over neck and shoulder stretches. Now, if you've had a car accident or neck injury, these are very helpful to rehabilitate the neck in conjunction with chiropractic care. So the first one I give my patients is neck rotation. And you can do this just lying on your bed, face up, turning your head to one side as far as you can, then to the other side as far as you can. Do 8 to 10 repetitions on each side. And after you get good at this, after a few days of doing that first thing in the morning when you wake up and just before bed, the next one would be side bends, number 1. And that would be lying on the bed face up again, tipping the ear to the shoulder on one side, then the ear to the shoulder on the other side. I would do 8 to 10 repetitions on either side, fluidly switching between the sides, just a nice gentle movement side to side like that. And I would do 8 to 10 repetitions in the morning and 8 to 10 repetitions before bed. The next one you can add on to this after a few more days is back and forward bending. You'd want to stand for this one, flex the head forward as far as you can, then extend the neck backwards as far as you can without causing any extra pain or discomfort. Do 8 to 10 repetitions first thing in the morning, then 8 to 10 repetitions just before bed. Then you can progress to the cat and cow stretch, number 7. This is good for the entire spine. So being on all fours, flexing the back forward, arching the back, head down, stretching the low back like that, and then going into the extension position, the opposite direction, head up, back sags, is a very good way to stretch the ligaments and discs inside the spine. So do a fluid movement from this one to this one, and then back to this one, the cat and the cow, and do 8 to 10 repetitions first thing in the morning, 8 to 10 repetitions just before bed. And then finally, the shoulder shrug. You can add this in after a few more days. So lifting the shoulders up towards the ears, then relaxing the shoulders, shoulders up to the ears, relaxing the shoulders. I would do 8 to 10 repetitions of this first thing in the morning, and then 8 to 10 repetitions just before bed. So again, just to recap, start with the neck rotations. You can ask me when a good time to start that is. Usually if you've had a neck injury or a whiplash, torticollis or wry neck, then I'll usually start this a week or 2 into care. So neck rotations, then side bends after a few days of doing the neck rotations, then the back and forward bends, then the cat and cow stretch, and then finally shoulder shrugs. And this will progress over 2 to 3 weeks, adding on one exercise at a time. If you have any questions, please let me know when you're in for your next appointment. If you're in the Kelowna area, you need help, we are accepting new patients. And finally, if you're not in the Kelowna area, then you can always reach out to me. I'll find a chiropractor for you in your area. And then always check with your chiropractor before you start any new exercises like this.